Welcome back to another video. We are looking at Bitcoin, and we can see that over the past couple of days we have seen Bitcoin drop over in this price, and we see here that since yesterday we saw the break and the retest of this midway point in this channel to continue the trend lower. We are starting to see a push up as we are doing this video, but don't make this look bullish. Overall, Bitcoin will always be bullish, but in the meantime, shorter time frames, we could possibly see Bitcoin come and retest this level over here of around 59,000, possibly 58,000, around this level to continue the momentum going higher. What we can see now is that we are creating here, we are creating lower lows, lows, higher higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and this could possibly be a higher low around this area. Something that we should be aware of though is that the elections are coming up, right? The elections are playing a huge role in this, as we know that with either party we can see Bitcoin getting closer and closer to the $100,000 level. But depending on the candidate that's voted for, it's either if it's going to be a faster pace or a slower pace. And that's what we could possibly see Bitcoin waiting out till the election results come out to begin doing the move or not. We can never predict the market, but what we can do is react to what is happening. And that's why in this channel I talk about technical analysis, because everything is based off of technical analysis. How is it that during this in the weekend we saw the touch of this channel over here and I was calling for sales, and on Monday is when we started seeing the reports of Israel being attacked, and that's when we saw this. And then when we got the reports of the dock workers going on strike, and we started seeing a lot of this stuff, a lot of scares around a recession coming right on around this level. The market, that's why technical analysis and fundamental analysis go hand in hand. Fundamental analysis will always follow technicals, and this is a perfect example of that. It doesn't mean we're gonna know the magnitude of the move. It just means that we could get a good idea of where the market is heading. We were here, we saw some resistance, a resistance level that has been respected for over the past few months. It's been over 6 months now that this level is respected. So we saw this over here, and the day after we got news. This, and what a coincidence on this level, right? And then we caught these sales over here, and then we saw a break over here and a retest of it to continue the sales lower. For right now, I would suggest we have to wait and see how Bitcoin is going to play out on larger time frames. We could possibly, like I said, we could possibly see come and retest this level, or we can see this could be the bottom and we could see a break of this, and we are able to see a nice retest of this level after a break. We can start continuing to buy, but for the meantime we are in basically no man's land. We have to wait. There's a lot of stuff that Bitcoin is waiting for right now, like what is going to happen in the what is happening right now in Israel with the war, with the elections. There's so much stuff surrounding all this, and this is setting itself up to become a really volatile market. So we could start seeing big moves, just as we saw here. We could possibly see Bitcoin push up and within days push back down, as we have been seeing over here over the past couple months. Like I said, we've been seeing it, and we could expect that to continue happening until all this is over. Maybe we begin to see good news coming out, then that's going to help Bitcoin and the price go up. Because I know sometimes we think we believe in Bitcoin, right? But and it's still not there yet. Like gold. We see all this news. What happens to gold? The price of gold pushes up. We would want Bitcoin to push up, right? To hedge against the dollar. But it's just not there yet. Eventually, we are expecting it to be there one day, but to this day, it's not there yet. So we just have to trade and react with the market, how Bitcoin is reacting, not trade against the trend, not trade against what we are seeing. So we always have to trade what we see on the chart, and this is what we have been seeing. So yeah, this is my analysis for Bitcoin. We just stay patient, keep on buying. I don't know if you buy If you are trading it or just buying it for the long run, it's always to just buy, set and hold. Just buy for the long run is always good. But if you are trading it, I would suggest to hold off a little and wait to see after all this news dies off. We have NFP coming up this Friday. That could be a really volatile move as well. It could easily push Bitcoin back up to these levels, or it can easily push Bitcoin back down to these levels. So we have to wait and be patient on that as well. But that's my analysis for this video. If you guys have any questions, any comments, don't forget to leave them down. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.